Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ureka.Social and I'm back with another update on the development of the Eureka Hive-powered social network. It's actually live now at Ureka.Social, so that's Ureka.social, that's the web address, and so you can go and check it out. I've made a bunch of updates which are not live yet, and that's what I'm going to take you through right now. But if you have a Hive account, you can currently log in and use the site via Hive keychain. You cannot yet create an account on Eureka. That will be added soon, but for the moment you'll need to get an account from another site like Ecency or Inleo or Pigd or ThreeSpeak or any of the other sites that support Hive. One Hive account will work on all of these different sites because they will share the same blockchain data behind the scenes. So we're looking currently at basically what is the home page at the moment, the feeds page. I've simplified the layouts and made them a bit nicer and a bit more coherent across the different pages. So you've got the same color scheme everywhere now on all the different posts. Looking pretty tidy. And so the main thing I wanted to show you is, first of all, is the fact that it now supports mobiles. So if we zoom in, we'll make the page smaller, as I can do here in the editor. We can see that it all nicely adapts for mobile and tablet views, which is very cool. But also we have support now not only for logging in via Hive keychain on desktop, but also on mobile too, which is really nice. So I'll show you that now. So I've changed the login panel, and now you have this panel which will detect what the system thinks your device is. So it's actually thinking that I'm using a mobile at the moment because I've got kind of a small screen. So it's telling me that I should use the mobile app login, but I'm just going to show you for the moment the normal browser one. So that's how we log in on pretty much all Hive sites nowadays, is using Hive Keychain, which is a browser extension which you can use to put your blockchain keys in for your account, and which means that the keys never leave your computer when you log in to Hive powered sites. So your keys are secure using that extension. It's the safest way to log into Hive sites. So we have that supported here. You just type your username in, press login with keychain, and then it will activate the keychain in your browser and ask you to authorize the site. And then from now on, you won't need to log in again to this site if you don't want to, and you'll be auto logged in, and you'll never need to type a password, which is really nice. But what I've just added is this function here, which is mobile login, using a clever system behind the scenes, which actually allows you to log in on a mobile device using a normal browser, which is normally challenging for Hive sites because the Hive keychain plugin for mobile devices has a security limitation, which is the same for all mobile apps, which means that it can't interact with browsers on mobile devices in the same way that the keychain extension can in your desktop browser. So all that technical detail aside, what it basically means is that in order to use Hive keychain and log in nicely on mobile, you need to use an extra step. And so I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to type my username in here, click generate user code, QR code even. And what I'm doing here that you can't see is basically I'm loading up keychain on my phone, and I'm pressing the scan button, and I'm scanning this QR code. And then that then asks me to authorize on my phone, and boom, now we're in. So I've basically told Eureka in the browser on my computer, on my desktop here, that I am who I say I am by authorizing my username on my phone, which has keychain installed, and I've authenticated on my phone using my fingerprint and passcode, etc. So now it's asking me to set a passphrase, which I'll do. And what this does is essentially encrypts the secure login data that the system needs to work behind the scenes and stores it in my browser. So I've now logged in. I'm going to save that in my browser. I don't need to do that. So I've now logged in. It's basically used my mobile phone to authorize me on my desktop, which is pretty nice. And now if I log out and try and log in again and use the same mobile method, type my username in, it realizes that I've already logged in using this desktop, and I've got a valid bit of data stored in the browser basically, which lets it know that I've already authorized my account on this machine. So I actually don't need to go through use my phone again. All I need to do is type the passcode I previously saved, and it will reauthorize me again straight away, which is really nice. So yeah, that's all working. It's the same as how PeakD works and so on. It's yeah, the most secure approach to using Hive, and that means that although we're not testing currently on a mobile, it basically means that if I was using my mobile, then I would be able to log in securely, and um, everything would work nicely. So yeah, very happy with that. And yeah, there's still a few little glitches and bugs with the mobile layout that's being tested and improved, but basically it works nicely. So yeah, we've made a few other improvements to some of the pages, which I may not have showed you in the videos before. So got a new layout for the wallet page, and if we go to the um, post creation page, we can see that I've added a nice menu and emojis, which is pretty nice. Fairly common emojis that you see on many sites. So yeah, it's all coming together. There's a few other things I've added as well. I won't go into all those now, but yeah, just wanted to invite you to come and check out the site at Ureka.Social and let me know any feedback that you have. I'm Ura-Soul on there. That's my username. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. You can get paid in crypto to make posts and comment, unlike on your normal, regular social sites. And best of all, it's all decentralized, which means that there's no corporation controlling everything. You own your account. Your account can't be deleted. And yeah, it's really the next level of social networking. Very powerful, and yeah, you should get in now while most people don't know about it, and build a profile, build a reputation, and basically, you know, the more you create great content, people like you, the more you get voted, the more you earn, and this will, moving forward, basically be very useful online for interacting with other people in ways that benefits everybody, from activists to just general bloggers to corporations even, and businesses, to anybody basically that wants to interact freely without being controlled by a central authority in the form of a corporation. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy checking out Eureka, and I'll catch you soon.